Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time it might be, thank you very much for joining me back here in my garage. So today, I am going to start on a new project. This has been highly requested. Everybody wants me to do it, and they've been asking, so I figured it's been beautiful weather so far. Let's enjoy it. So I'll be working on the GY6 scooter. They call it GY6 just because of the engine, the type of engine it is. It's a GY6 engine, 150 cc's, and the other type is a Honda, but the GY6 is a copy off of it. So that's what it's called. So right now, I need to clean it up because it hasn't been run in a while. Last time I ran some stuff through it, so links up at the top as always. So let's go ahead and clean this up, clean up the carburetor, make sure everything's running perfectly smooth, it's nice and tuned since I have the wideband air sensor, and we'll be able to go from there. Alright, so the carburetor's out. Next thing I need to do is just give it a good clean. Alright, so the carburetor is clean. That took a little bit of time, so it's going to be fast motion, and I just had some music playing in the background. Inspected everything else, it looks good, hoses look good, no tear or no holes, they all stiff, nothing like that, no issues. There was an issue with the boot, or the air boot I think it's called, forgot what it's called. But on the bottom, the gasket, I'll show close up right now. It's just a little worn out, a little smushed. It looks like it was torqued down a little too much and a little bit of goop on it. I can't remember where the goop came from, so I'm going to have to clean that up, maybe order a new boot. And also on the plastic seal, close up right now, also the same thing, it's just a little bit torn. Looks like it got smashed. Definitely I torqued it down too much last time I worked on it, so I'll order those parts, get those in, and that's about it. Everything else looks pretty good. A little bit dirty. Some of the parts, might have to order. Like this one too, that holds the carburetor onto the manifold. It just a little smushed. Same thing. Same thing with the air filter. A little smushed. Just those little preventative maintenance things that I haven't done in a while. So I'm going to get this put back together and we'll finish it up. Alright, so carburetor is all back on, hooked up, and look at that. Battery's dead. Haven't rode it for a while, so I'm going to have to charge this next. So the battery's charging. It turned up dead. It was one of those things, you just can't foresee it happening. I said I haven't driven it for a while, so fun day today. Got that carburetor cleaned up. I'm happy with it. Ordered new some parts just for, I'm sure it's not leaking air, but just in case those gaskets. And I'll tune the carburetor. I'll put a link up right here. If you haven't tuned a carburetor before, or you tuned one with the wideband sensor, I've done it before. Link up, watch it. Very good video. And that's about it. I would like to thank personalizedcart.com. They sent me out this really cool hatchet. And as you can see on this side, I'll close up right now. It is engraved with Joey's Garage. Very nice. Very good, solid construction, very heavy weight metal. Very good. I like it. Only complaints though is I wish it would have had Joey's Garage on the face right here of the Hatchet. That would have been a lot cooler than just a little one on the handle. But I'll still put it up on the wall. I'll probably hang it, and you can always see the little Joey's Garage logo right there. So if you're ever looking for a personalized Hatchet, Yeti cups, they had a whole bunch of cool stuff on their site. The link's right down here, and it'll be in the description. Personalizedcart.com. Like it, very balanced. So if you want one, head on over there. They're a pretty good price. So with that, as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, do it because I'm going to have more videos on the scooter, and we're going to have a lot of fun and doing some lot of cool mods to it. If you have any suggestions for mods for it, go ahead and drop a comment in the video, comments down below. I do read them all, and I'll maybe do that mod. I have a lot planned. So ride safe, drive safe, and as always, keep at least 2 wheels on the road.